body cam.
Security cameras.
I'll get the footage to your office right away.
Ziva, Donoso, witness statements.
Hi, boss.
I thought they were gonna kill us all. I mean, they trained us for this.
Two guys, ski masks, automatic weapons,
This
maybe
is
clocks.
boring.
I don't know.
Marching orders, all business. Definitely three of them. Big guys.
Guns?
Big guns.
I only saw one. There could have been more.
Dark sedan.
I think it was a pickup. It was a red pickup.
You're not biting anymore.
Or orange, maybe.
It was a white SUV. I got a good look at it.
Anybody, mister?
He just tried to do a flip.
Best guess, two bad guys in the bank, a third one driving, boss.
Possibly a white SUV. I put out a bullet.
He just did a somersault.
Not enough time to make it out.
What kind of idiots rob a bank with thousands of Marines and half the FBI on it?
Yeah, there's... What? White Chevy Suburban, east of the main gate, Perimeter Road. You two, go.
Getaway car didn't leave the base.
Not idiots.
I think he's done drinking out now.
Nice! Oh, that was going in. Excuses don't win championships.
Oh yeah, did Michael Jordan tell you that?
No, I told him.
He's our best closer.
Closer, huh?
I close situation.
Harvey is Batman. Batman